Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 6 from Chapter 2 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we have a helicopter blade that spins at exactly 100 revolutions per minute. Its tip is 5.00 meters from the center of rotation. And then in A, we need to calculate the average speed of the blade tip in the helicopter's frame of reference. And then in part B, we need to find the average velocity over one revolution. So when they say helicopter's frame of reference, that's going to just be with respect to the helicopter. All right, so let's write down what we know. So we've got 100 revs per minute, and then from a tip to a center of rotation, that's going to be a radius, and that is 5.00 meters. Okay, so average speed is the distance per time. And the distance for one revolution is 2 pi r. So we can say we've got 2 pi r per rev. And then for time, we can use t, the time per rev. Okay, and we've got 100 revs per minute. So we can treat this as 2 pi r per rev divided by, and then for the time, what we can use is the minute divided by 100 revs. And then we can convert the minutes over to seconds, and there are 60 seconds in a minute. Okay, and so we can get rid of the revs now. So we've got 2 pi r is the 5.00 meters. Then we have 60 seconds over 100. I did this calculation. I got 52.35 meters per second. And so this gives an average speed to 3 sig figs of 52.4 meters per second. Okay, then in part B, we need the average velocity. Average velocity is displacement per time. This is the average velocity over one revolution. And in one revolution, the displacement is 0. And that is because the ending point is equal to the starting point. The difference between those 2 points is going to be 0. And so we can say displacement is 0 meters. And so average velocity is 0 meters per second. I hope you found that helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.